Look, I'm with the canine unit. You want to get bit by a dog? Get your out of the car right now. You have until I go get my dog. I'm going to break this window and you're going to get bit by a dog. You will be bit by a dog.
I have not committed a crime. I do not have to get out of my vehicle. I have not committed a crime.
On June 12, 2023, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a domestic disturbance in Florida that ended in an arrest and in dropped charges.
Hi.
That's her.
What's going on?
This woman has been following me all around the fucking house. All I've been trying to do is separate each us from each other. Basically, this.
Are you injured?
She did strike me in the face, but I'm not hurt.
Okay.
I mean, like, I'm more mentally hurt than freaking anything. She's been drinking. I've been sleeping all day. I haven't felt good.
Are you injured?
No, sir.
You're injured. I can't see any injuries.
No.
Okay. You got any guns, knives, or weapons on you?
No, sir.
You don't mind if I pat you down real quick, right? Just for my safety? Just
Yeah.
turn around for me. I just want to make sure it's just for my safety. I'm not doubting you.
No, sir.
All right, you're good. Appreciate you. So you guys are getting to what is it over? What is
I'm trying to get out of this frickin' house. I literally woke up. She said she had some chicken parmesan, and I was not hungry, and I'm still not feeling good. And I went to the other room to get new sheets for the bed.
Okay.
And when I tried to put the sheets on the bed, she proceeded to jump on the bed and say, "This is my bed. You're not going to say you will not sleep in this."
And what's your guys' relationship?
No.
Yeah. And you got your ID on you?
Yes. No, sir. I have it in the house.
All right. So she's in that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And then as you guys are arguing over sheets, you're saying
she has proceeded.
Yeah, she's in that vehicle right there.
I've been trying.
Is that her vehicle?
Yes, sir. That's my truck. Dispatch told me to stay in me.
Yeah, that's fine. She's not armed. She doesn't have any guns or anything like that.
She owns a firearm, but I don't think she's that dumb.
Okay. So you're saying during the argument, then what happened?
No, she's been screaming at the top of her lungs at me. I've been trying. I said, "We are done. We are done. I'm going to take the house. I will get out of here as soon as I can."
You been drinking tonight?
No, sir.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
What's going on?
Oh, nothing. I'm sitting in my car because this man has torn my house into shreds this evening.
So did you call us or did he call us? I think he called us?
He called you, I think.
So what did he call us for?
You're going to have to ask him that. I don't know.
Okay. So what's going on tonight?
Go ask him. He called you.
Yep, he's talking to him over there.
Okay,
I'm trying to talk to you and find out what's going on.
say.
Okay. What happened to your finger there?
What happened to my finger?
Yeah, your finger right here is all torn up.
Where?
Right there. It's all bloody.
Where? My finger's not. So that's from fighting him off.
Okay. Fighting him off how?
Just leave me alone, okay? I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Leave me alone. He called you. I have nothing to say.
We're investigating a crime right now.
What's the crime?
He's alleging that you were battering him and throwing stuff at him and hitting him.
That's incorrect. He has put his hands around my neck several times.
Okay, so that's what I'm here.
He has torn my house apart.
That's what I'm here trying to talk to you about.
I don't want to talk.
Okay. Is there any reason for that?
Any reason for what? He's
not wanting to talk to me about what's going on?
I don't. You all have been here several times and not helped.
I've never been here.
Doesn't matter. I don't care. They've been. Go look at your reports. You all have been here several times.
I looked at them on the way here.
Okay, so go look at them again. I have nothing to say.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to me?
I don't.
Okay. Have a great night. She basically told me to go F myself, so. Okay. She wants nothing to do with us.
She intoxicated?
She doesn't seem intoxicated. She doesn't smell intoxicated. I don't smell alcohol.
Is she injured?
No slurred speech, nothing like that.
Okay. I mean, I don't think she was pounding.
She has a red bloody mark on her finger, and she said that's from fighting him off.
Oh, okay.
So
she literally.
But she doesn't want to tell me anything else.
All right, well, I'll try to talk to her and see if we can get his footage.
What's going on, boss?
Crazy fucking man. This crazy.
Why are you guys still doing this? You guys
I'm this is what it's over. I'm trying to separate all my stuff from the master bedroom. get all my stuff out and you can move it to the spare bedroom.
Right.
And without her destroying it.
So what's this about you destroying the house? That's pretty much what she told me.
Me destroying the house?
I just gotta ask, man.
I'm not
she just told me
destroying the
that,
house.
so-
I mean, like, technically...
Oh, you're just taking stuff out? Or?
Yeah, I'm just moving all my... I have a TV mounted on the wall.
Right.
And, I mean, technically, the only thing that's hers in there is her clothes,
right.
the couch,
Right,
the coffee table.
You guys married?
No, sir.
Okay, you guys live here. You guys live here together, though, right? How long you guys lived here together?
Coming up on 5 months.
Okay.
How are you?
Hi, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
I'm just trying to make sure you guys are okay, so I'm not trying to bother you. I understand you've had enough tonight. Everybody's probably had enough. You're pretty amped up. You seem pretty amped up as well. Just want to make sure everybody's okay. That's our main concern. I don't want anybody hurt. There's nobody else in the house that could be hurt. Nothing like that. Okay. I'm not trying to, I understand you're in a lot right now, but you're helping me out with just understanding what's going on. Because we come out here and our first priority is that nobody's hurt, nobody else is injured inside the home.
No.
And that you guys are okay. We're not here to harass you or give you a hard time.
I know you're not.
We're just trying to do our job, make sure people are okay. Yes, ma'am. So he's just saying you guys were in a verbal argument across the house, yelling over sheets. I'm just trying to confirm what he's saying. He's saying you hit him. I'm just trying to understand. And I don't
If he wants to press charges on me, he can.
I'm not worried about charges. I want to make sure you're okay, and if that's even what happened. So I'd much rather hear your side.
I'm not just...
He's got a one side to the story.
I don't have a side. I have no side.
Okay, are you hurt?
I have nothing to say. I'm not hurt.
Okay.
This is my home.
I know.
I just want to go in my home and be in my room
that's what I'm trying to
with my things.
That's what I'm trying to work out right now. Is I'm trying to see if he'll go. I'm trying to calm it for the night, so you guys can go about your business and your lives. But again, we have to make sure people aren't injured.
I'm not injured.
Or hurt.
I'm not injured. I've done nothing to him other than come into my house and try to be in my home.
That's fair.
Where he has made me feel like it's not my home for months and months and months.
Yeah, that's crazy. I'm sorry you weren't going through that. I just met you guys, so I don't know all the history. I'm trying my best to understand it as I'm standing here with you.
But if he wants to, whatever he says,
no,
that's the point.
I'm not going to let that happen because I don't think that's right. I like to hear what everybody has to say because I care about how people feel about stuff. Is there a freaking... Yeah, it's a spider trying to land on me. Anyway, don't like spiders. Put that back on the ground. Okay, well, sit tight just 1 second for me. Let me just talk to him for a little bit further, if you would. I appreciate you being cool and cooperative with us. I'm sorry you're going through all this, but just bear with me because we're just trying to do our job and get everybody on with their night. You know what I mean?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And I just wanted to come home and be in my home and in my space. And it's been progressive for just months and months and months. And you get to a point where you just, like, my car is in tatters. He's running into things, he's hit it. You know, I can't take it anymore.
Does he, is he drink or what is causing that, do you think? I'm just trying to understand. I'm not trying to pry. I'm just trying to understand why he's doing all that because I can definitely see the damage to your vehicle and stuff.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't know anymore.
I understand. I don't understand. I'm trying to understand. I'm doing my best I can, so... Alright, well let me talk to him real quick. Just sit tight. Let me see if we can try to get some resolution and get you guys on with your night, okay? Because I am trying to get you in your home, alright? I really am, alright? Alright, thank you, ma'am.
Is she alleging anything?
You or? She smacked me in for the outside my head, in the heat of the moment, but...
Gotcha. Okay.
Nothing.
Alright, are you going to be able to give me a statement?
Yeah.
About what happened here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you know the meaning of perjury?
Perjury? Yes, sir.
Okay. Just for the
Lying
record,
under oath.
Just for the record, perjury is a crime in the state of Florida. There are 2 ways to commit it. One is lying under oath. Second is omitting information while being under oath. Do you understand both of those ways?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With that in mind, I'll swear you in.
What do you mean by admitting information?
Well, like, let's say you make a statement or like a plain sentence, but you choose kind of what's the truth and what's the lie within that same statement.
It's omitting information, not omitting information.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, omitting.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, like
leaving stuff out.
Leaving information out.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So basically, like fabricating.
Yeah, or to try to sway the investigation one way or the other. Basically.
Okay. I understand.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll swear you now. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm the statement you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. So start from the very beginning. What happened?
I woke up. She said she had chicken parmesan, and I was still laying in bed. And I got up, took a shower because I haven't been feeling good all day.
And at what time did you get up or wake up?
7:30.
In the morning?
p.m.
PM.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like I've been up
Right.
throughout the course of the day.
But the last time you got up was at 7:30?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I heard her say that, and I kind of rolled over. I kind of got out of bed, and I know I was just drenched in sweat, and so I asked her where the new sheets were. And when I went to got out of the shower, and I went to grab the sheets, which is in the third bedroom, and brought them back over, and. And as soon as I start putting them on the bed, she got on top of the bed. She got on top of the bed and said, "You're not going to freaking sleep in this bed." And I paid for it freaking because it was like through the qualify thing, and she paid the first $200 of it.
Gotcha.
So technically, yes, she has paid. Towards it.
Gotcha. Yeah.
As I'm trying to put the sheets on, she's just screaming at me. I said, "All right, I'm done with this. We're going to take the room, take the bed. I do not care. We're done. This is And I just started slowly moving my stuff out. She's following me around the house, screaming at me that, "Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?" That whole song and dance. And then she proceeded to start throwing things at me.
And what did she throw at you?
A case of what was left of Twisted Tea, and I think an empty or a full beer can, friggin' a vase. And as I went back in to try to take my TV off the wall, she's like, "You're not taking that." It's like, and she's just like, I'm like, "That's my TV." She went into the bedroom where I'm moving in all my stuff, proceeded to grab all the cords that I've already unplugged before I take it off the wall, and proceeded to open the door and chuck them somewhere in the yard here, and that's when I was just like, okay. In the process, she's also screaming at me freaking at the top of her lungs. I mean, like, I have a video of her screaming at me.
Of tonight? Her screaming at you?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Can you show it to me?
You said she threw something in the yard. What did she throw in the yard?
You
don't have to look for it. I'm just trying to figure out what it is.
It's just a bunch of cords.
Okay.
Yeah. A bunch of cords and like a fire TV.
Kind of right on the other side of your truck here?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, just hang out with me. I'll look for it.
Now, did she start throwing stuff at you first and then
slap
you? Or
it was all in the heat of the moment, sir.
Okay.
But this is... I want the rest of my stuff. You didn't find it?
You know what? The grass is kind of thick.
Yeah.
Now you're getting to the cops call. Now you're getting the cops call. Do it! What? Do it! Open the door.
And video.
Yeah, she kicked the door open and fucking busted it right off the hinges. But then as she was throwing my out. But,
okay. And that video at all, is it all black the entire way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you can just hear what you guys are saying, basically?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. All right. So after she chucked the stuff out, what happened next?
Then that's when I got. That's when I called the police, called you guys, called dispatch, and then for
yeah, we're good. Okay.
And then they told me to stop. I just
stay out
here. Stay away from her. Yeah. Stay away from her as much as possible. And
okay. Does anything in your body hurt?
No.
So you don't need EMS or nothing like that?
No.
Okay. Now, when she was throwing the bottles and stuff like that,
the vase, the vase is still freaking.
Did it make contact with you? No. Or was it just thrown in your general direction?
The debris hit me, but
the debris. Okay.
I think it was meant to hit me, but her hand-eye coordination wasn't that good. To be honest with you, sir.
Okay. Have either of you been drinking?
She had a twisted tea. I know, a cracked open twisted tea.
Okay.
But
just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know.
Gotcha. Have you had anything?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Is there anything that you can add to your statement? Anything you want to delete? Anything you want to change?
No, sir.
Nope. Okay. This will conclude this statement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang out with him. I'm gonna go talk to her.
Okay.
Hi, Aaron.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Hold on.
Are you able to give me a statement about what happened here tonight?
I would prefer not to.
Okay. Why would you prefer not to?
I just don't want to.
Okay. So just to kind of clarify where we're at here, okay?
Okay.
This is domestic. This is what's considered a domestic call. And we have to investigate that as if it were a crime.
Listen, this man is bipolar.
I got you.
He has mental issues.
Which is why I want to get your statement.
I don't have one. He called you. Whatever you need to do it. But I'm not going to be arrested. And I would like you all to get off of my property.
Why would you get arrested?
I want you off my property.
Why would you get arrested?
I would like you off my property.
We can't do that.
I don't care. I want you off my property.
You don't run things here right now.
Excuse me?
You don't run things right now.
I do. I've called you all several times and no one has helped me.
Have I been there?
No one has helped me.
I've never even been here, man.
That's what all of you say. I've never been here. I haven't been here. I don't know how many people work at the Punta Gorda Police Department. I don't care anymore. I would like you to remove yourself from my car and get off of my property.
So you don't want to provide a statement?
No.
Okay. Can I see your hands real quick?
No. Listen, this is his mom on the phone. If you come near me and arrest me for him attacking me, I don't know what kind of hell has come down on you.
How do I know he attacked you? You're not wanting to provide a statement or anything.
I am not going to provide any statement to any person on the Punta Gorda Police Department. I've called you several times when this man has attacked me, and no one has helped me.
So just for clarification, we're actually Charlotte County, we're not Punta Gorda. La Mandola, she doesn't want to provide anything, and he clearly has injuries. So yeah, she's probably not going to come willingly.
So you just want to hang over there, just stay over there,
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, turn off the car.
No, I'm not. No, this man has attacked me.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
I'm not going to tell you again. Get out of the car.
I would like the sergeant here right now. I want the sergeant here right now.
He was here.
He was here.
Huh?
He spoke to you.
I would like the sergeant to come over here now. I'm not getting out of my car. You're not arresting me. I've done nothing wrong. This is my home.
So
I want the sergeant to come over here now.
He was here already.
So this is what's going to happen. You're going to come out of the car, or we're going to remove you from the car. And you'll get additional charges. So what You want to come easy? Do you want us to pull you out? Which one do you want?
Calling 911.
We're here.
911. You wait for my car.
Turn off the car and get out of the car. Don't reach in your bag.
Huh?
Don't reach in your bag.
I'm just looking for my
Okay, we don't know that. We don't know what you're reaching for.
Well, I don't know what you're reaching for. You're standing in front of my car with
Yeah, and we're telling you to get out and you're not getting
I'm
out.
a criminal. I have not done anything wrong.
Well, you're resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yeah, you are.
What crime have I committed?
Battery. That's what you committed.
I have not.
And
Yeah,
you
you have.
committed.
And now
have
you're
not.
and now you're resisting too.
I have not. I have not committed a crime.
Okay. Well, we've given you multiple lawful orders to get out of the vehicle, and you have
I've not
refused to
committed
do
a
that.
crime. I've not. I do
Resisting's
not
a
have
crime.
to get out of my vehicle. I have not committed a crime.
Okay.
I live here. This is my home.
That doesn't.
I have
What does
been
that have to do with
battered
anything?
in my own home. I will not get out of my car. I have called you all several times to help me, and you haven't. I've not done anything wrong, been accused of something that you have done nothing to figure out if it's true or not, have you?
I have, but you don't want to. You don't want to cooperate.
Out of my car. I'm in
You don't want to cooperate.
Space. I'm scared.
You don't
I
want.
am scared.
You don't want to
You're threatening
cooperate.
Me.
I'm not threatening you.
You threatened to break my window out.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
I said that
Don't
if you.
make me break this window out.
Yeah, I said that because
Yes,
you
you
are
did say
resisting.
that.
You are resisting.
What crime have I committed?
I already told you, battery.
Prove it.
He has marks all over his body.
So do I.
I don't see nothing on you.
So do I.
I don't see anything on
He
you.
also has bipolar and several mental issues.
Well, he's
where
perfectly
he
calm.
harms himself.
He's perfectly
Don't
calm.
Do that.
He's
Don't do
perfectly
that.
calm and
Don't
cooperating.
Do that. Don't do not.
He's cooperating with
I
the
have not
investigation, and
committed
you
any
are
crime.
not.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not under arrest.
Yes,
I've
you
done
are.
Nothing wrong.
Yes, you are.
No.
I'm telling you that you're under
For what?
arrest. I'm telling you that you're under
What
arrest.
am I under
I've
arrest
already
for?
told you that. I'm not
What
going to go.
I would like
I've
to
already
speak
told
to
you.
the sergeant now.
Regardless whether you talk to the sergeant,
I want to speak to the
outcome
sergeant.
is still going to be the same.
I want to speak to the sergeant.
I've already told you. You are under arrest, and at this point, you are resisting.
What am I under arrest for?
I've already told you.
What am I under arrest for?
I've already told you.
Is he pressing charges?
That has nothing to do with it.
Nope.
It's domestic. He doesn't have to press charges.
I want to press charges against him.
I already told you. It's domestic.
I want
You
to
don't
press
have to press
charges
charges.
against him.
The state is the one that presses charges, not.
The state already took my case, and they... Listen to me. If you don't do your research right now, it's going to get really bad.
Bad
The
as in
state
what?
attorney, Jennifer Sosa, already, when I dropped the charges against him, when he promised not to do this to me again, Jennifer Sosa and the state of Florida picked it up in Fort Myers. He was going to jail for a year because of what he did to me.
That's exactly what I just explained to you. The state is the one that prosecutes, not you.
I'm not getting out of my car. I've done nothing wrong. I have committed no crime.
You will get out of your car.
I have committed no crime.
You will get out of your car.
I have committed no crime.
You will get out of your car.
No.
Should you have the keys?
Yeah. We have no way to get out.
Listen to me. Look, I'm with the canine unit. You want to get bit by a dog? Get your out of the car right now.
Family, and you all come over to my house.
You have until I go get my dog. I'm going to break this window and you're going to get bit by a dog. You will be bit by a dog.
He has called the cops on me, and they're trying to get me out of my car and arrest me when he's attacking.
You are under arrest. You're either going to come out of the car or I'm going to get the dog and I'm going to get you out of the dog.
And torn my house to shreds, and I will not get out of my car. And there's some canine
We're gonna-
sheriff here
yep.
with a dog trying to threaten to get me out of my car.
electric windows.
Please come over to my house right now.
Try to push it back.
Get out.
Please come get me.
Listen to me.
Please.
Look at me. Look at me.
Please come get me, please. Okay. I'm
Look at
not
me.
getting out of my car until my mom and my sister get here. Leave me alone.
Do you want to get bit by a dog? They're not coming near you.
Dog. I don't care. I've done
You want-
nothing wrong.
You want to be bit by a dog?
I've done nothing wrong.
You want to be bit by a
I
dog?
have done nothing wrong.
What is your name?
I have done nothing
Then
wrong.
come out and talk with us.
I've done nothing
Then
wrong.
come out and talk with us.
Why are
If
you
you've done-
doing this to me?
If you've done nothing wrong,
I've
what's your
done
first name?
nothing
What's your first
wrong.
name? What's your first name?
My name is Laura.
Laura. If you've done nothing wrong, sitting in a car with your window rolled up,
Scaring me.
I'm not trying to scare you.
Threatening me is scaring me. Stop
Okay, listen. You're going to come out of the car whether you like it or not. When your family gets here, they're not coming near the car. So you can call whoever you want.
Stop.
There is no stop it.
Stop it.
No, you're not going to tell me what to do.
I have dealt with a psycho all night. I'm not doing it with the police department.
We're not psychos. You're the one. No, I'm not.
You're acting like one.
No, I'm not.
I've had a man beat the out of me tonight, and you're standing at my window doing the same thing he did.
Okay, then come out here and talk to us.
No.
Okay. You're gonna make us force you out of the car.
If you want to force me out of this car and get sued, it's fine.
How are we gonna get sued? You're under arrest.
For what?
What? I already told you. Battery.
I haven't done anything to anybody.
Then sitting in a car with your window up is hardly a way to present your case.
You're saying I've done something without any facts or asking me.
I have
and
asked
you're
you multiple times.
The same thing
you don't want to cooperate with the investigation.
We have given you multiple lawful orders to get out of the vehicle as well, so now you're getting a resisting charge as well. So regardless of what happens today...
I haven't done anything wrong!
Alright. Hello, here, stay in your car. Are you mom and... Stay in your car.
Yes,
so you guys are mom and...
Sister.
Okay, so here's the deal. Technically, right...
Okay.
Here, just listen to us for a minute. Because... So you can hear you? Okay.
Just turn the radio down, I can't see.
So, technically, we were just going... Because I just got here, right? So, technically, she's under arrest for domestic battery. It's beyond talking about. That's what the investigation's led to. She's not wanting to get out of the vehicle. She's already going to catch another charge for resisting because she's refusing to get out and just even talk with them. I'm with the canine here. That's why I came, because she's not wanting to get out of the vehicle. I tried to get her out of the vehicle by giving her some warnings. If you don't get out, you're going to get bit by a dog. Because right now I have every legal right to break the window and send my dog in after her. But because she's not really resisting too much, I don't want anyone to get bit by a dog. Because technically she's under arrest. She's under arrest right now. She's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
So what record do you have on the number of calls that have been made?
We're not here for the past. They're here to do with what's going on tonight. That's all they're here to investigate is the events that took place this evening.
So you have no record of
I'm sure.
abuse on the
I'm sure there's probably a record.
repeatedly
Yep.
and over and over and over, and that she's the victim here.
Okay. Just because you're a victim one day doesn't mean you're a victim every day. And I don't know her from Adam, but that's the facts. Just because you're a victim one day doesn't mean you're a victim every single time it comes up.
Also,
They're only investigating what's going on today.
So I live in Kentucky.
Okay.
I've been here a little over a week. Okay. So all I know is what our son told me, because he had to call the police repeatedly because he's threatened to kill her repeatedly. And we've tried to get them apart. This is my other daughter who explains to me that
I used to live next door in the same building.
Like right here?
I live in this unit, but I live in a house on Deep Creek now.
Okay.
I don't know why she keeps going back to him.
Okay.
But if this keeps up, he will kill her.
Okay, so as of right now, the only way you guys can help us is if you can call her and tell her to get out of the car.
And then what's going to happen?
She's going to be placed under arrest. She's under arrest.
She's under arrest. What happens next?
The only thing you can...
What he said?
Based on everything that I've seen,
she won't come out to provide a statement.
Want to look at it.
So when she doesn't want to provide a statement, they have to go. They have to go based on the information that they have, and if she's
what he
Why
said.
is he not under arrest?
What I'm telling you is that the evidence that's on his body with what he has told us, it matches up. There's nothing on her body. She's refusing to provide any information. And as a domestic call, we are forced to investigate it as if it were a crime until we can prove that it's not.
She's an adult. Technically, right now, we're giving you more than we actually have to. 100%. We have enough to just tell you guys to leave.
Okay.
We're just trying to get
Here's
this
the deal.
to end.
If we can get her
we're
out
trying
of
to
the
end it
car,
peacefully.
it's one less charge, is what you're saying. Or you're not going to break her window.
I'm not going to break her window.
What I'm trying to say is, if you guys can get her out, he doesn't have to. We don't have to break the window, and he doesn't have to.
The dog's right there in that car. If you can tell her to come out and talk with them,
that's what we're trying to avoid.
That's what she needs. You can't go. No, you can't go up to the car. You got to stay here
because it's
because the car's running. If she decides to just take off, then if you get hurt, no, you got to stay here.
Are you calling?
Hello. Okay.
Tell her to turn the car off and get out and talk with him. She's going to make it worse for herself. We want it to end peacefully. We'll allow her to come talk to you. Just you guys stay in the car. Whatever you do, you two stay in the car.
You have to stay in the car, but you said if you're in the car, you can come out here. You can send contact the car.
We'll make sure you're allowed to talk to her. Before she leaves, yes. She's talking to Mom.
It sounds like she's about to
Yep,
get out.
yep. She's gonna get out, place her in cuffs. We're gonna go back peacefully.
Please do not touch me. Please do not touch
Come on
me. I would like to go stand with my sister and my
Okay.
mom.
Right now, you're gonna be placed under arrest.
For what?
Let it go. Let it go.
Why are you
Just stop.
arresting
Just stop.
me?
We're gonna allow you to talk to your mom. I would just talk to your mom.
Why are you arresting me?
They will explain to you. They've already explained to you several times. Just relax. Relax.
What?
Relax.
I want to speak to the
Do you want-
sergeant. Why
He's
are
on
you
his way.
arresting
Are you
me?
gonna stop yelling at me or not? Because if you're gonna keep yelling at me, then I'm not gonna talk to you. And none of us are gonna talk to you. Because we don't have to. Are you gonna stop yelling at me? I've never met you before, and I'll speak cordially to you, but if you don't show me respect, I'm not gonna show you
Please
respect.
take the handcuffs off of me.
They're
This
not
is
coming off you.
this is absolutely ridiculous.
They're not coming off
This
you.
is not. It's not okay.
Listen, are you gonna listen to me or
It's
not?
not okay.
Are you gonna listen to me
I
or
will
not?
listen to you.
Okay. Do you want to speak to your mom and your sister?
Yes, please.
Okay, then what I need you to...
Can
look,
you give my purse to my mom and can you pick that up and give it to my
Listen to
mom?
me. If you want to speak to your mom and your sister, if you want, we don't have to allow you to do that. We can tell your mom and sister to leave. You're an adult. They have no business being here, actually, 100%. We can tell them to leave.
I've asked them
But
to come for my protection.
It doesn't matter what you've
I've
asked
been
for.
battered in my home.
Okay, then why didn't you get out and give that statement?
Because you guys are being very threatening and you're arresting me and you're not listening to me.
No, before that. When they asked
You're
you
not listening to me.
Okay. You're not listening to me. Before they...
You're here to serve me.
I'm not here to...
I called you to help me.
Okay.
You didn't call me to help you.
So allow me to do that.
You didn't call me
Then,
to help you.
then-
Did I come to help you?
Are you going to allow me to do that?
Did
or
I
not?
come here to help you?
Answer my question.
Did I come here to help you?
No, I came here to help you.
So what are you doing?
Helping you.
How?
You're under arrest
How
for
are
their
you-
investigation.
How are you helping me?
Are you going to listen to me or not?
How are you
Okay,
helping
let's
me?
go. Let's go. Do you want to talk to your mom or
Can you
sister?
please pick my purse up and give it to my mom? Can I speak to the sergeant, please?
It's right there.
Can I please speak to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, I need you to understand that I have done nothing in my home tonight. I have not hurt this man. I have not touched this man. I have not done anything. I live here. I have been attacked repeatedly. For you all to be arresting me is an injustice, and I do not think this is okay.
Okay. Well, when we first got here, ma'am, you initially had spoken to me.
I am very scared.
Okay.
I have been scared. I have been attacked.
I'm trying to talk. You're asking me a question. I'm trying to answer your question with your concerns.
Mhm.
When we first got here on scene, you would not exit the vehicle. You would not give a
I
statement.
was scared,
you would not,
and I am scared, and I'm
sorry
still
you were
scared.
scared, but you got to understand that when I was talking with you, I was very polite. I was very professional, and I was trying to
And
explain
I
to you
was
that I was
not
trying to help
unpolite
you.
to you.
No, ma'am, you were not. But when we come to these types of scenes and people have injuries, you have injuries, he has injuries, hear me out. I'm explaining to you. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to explain to you and answer your question. When there's injuries, people are involved in a domestic situation that became physical. We are now required by Florida state statute and by law in our profession to act so that there's no propensity for future violence. We are required to do that.
I understand
So
that.
because of that, we then start interviewing and talking to people. Multiple times you're asked what was going on. You said whatever he said happened, and I kept trying to get more information from you just for that reason. I even said on
Because
body.
I don't want this. I've already had to. I've already had to. The state of Florida pressed charges against him, and I've already had to go through this so many times.
I'm not saying you didn't, and I'm sorry you had to go through that. I truly am. But at the end of the day, once the deputies do an investigation, they determine a primary aggressor, they determine charges, we are where we are. I've not reviewed this. I wasn't here. I had to go to another call all the way across the county a second ago. That's why I left. But I'm glad you did the right thing by exiting the vehicle, because at the end of the day, if you did nothing wrong like you said, you have every right in the world to get an attorney and to fight that and to argue that point, and that can come out later. But as of right now tonight, where we are with this investigation, the evidence that they've obtained and where they're at, they have charges for you. I wasn't here through all those steps, so I can't talk on something I don't know of yet. I don't know the totality of all of it. But I know going into it,
I hope you're happy. I hope this is what you wanted.
Don't talk to him. Don't cause a disturbance. That'll make this worse. But that's where we're at, okay? So you got to go with these deputies and go through the process.
Go back inside. Just go up there, please.
Yeah, just
Just head up. Just go to the back of the vehicle.
We're not trying to have any more incidents. Thank you, sir. So that's where we're
So
at.
you guys are arresting me?
You are being placed into custody for battery, yes ma'am, for domestic related. That's why someone is going to jail tonight. Because there's injuries to both of you guys. Injury to your finger, there's injuries all up and down his arms that I saw. There's obvious injury. There's a physical altercation and someone got injured. And based off of their investigation.
Are you glad you lied about this?
I'm sorry for your circumstance, but we have to go now, okay?
Can you please give my purse to my mom?
No, it's going to go with you. It's going to go with you.
Can you guys please come get me out of jail? You're arresting me because...
Yeah.
Will she get a phone call?
I'll go unlock it real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Just realize that she's going to see a judge in the morning. She's being arrested for the domestic battery that divides the charges. There's going to be probably no contact set in order by the judge.
Sir.
Okay, they do that especially for domestic type related things. Don't contact her. If she calls you from the jail, don't answer. You need to stay. When these investigations are going through the court processes, you don't need to, because that's when we start getting people involved with, witness tamper, all these different things that could happen where we don't need that. We need you to be separate from her until this works itself out, okay?
Well, that's what I was. That's all we were trying to do.
I hear you. You guys have a history here, and you guys got to work this out and figure it out. And now it's coming to the point of this.
Yes.
So it doesn't need to escalate any further. But this has been building. From our reports that I've seen in our system, this has been building, and now we're here. And this could easily have been you, depending on how this all went down. Sometimes people lose their cool on the other end. Could have been your end.
Yes.
So you're fortunate in that aspect that you're at least not going where she's going.
Yes.
But moving forward, you guys need to figure something out.
Can I get her purse?
Her purse is going to go with her mom. She has her purse on her.
Oh, she did have her
Yep.
purse.
So obviously her vehicle is going to stay here. I don't know how all this works out because it's always up to a judge. But I can tell you what typically happens. She'll have a pickup order. She'll be able to come pick up her items and her things like her vehicle at a later date.
Yes.
Okay. So when all that happens, that's when you guys will work out all the other stuff. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Can you relay a message to her?
I'm not relaying anything to her. She's really upset right now, buddy. Very, very upset. So we're not going to do that tonight. You guys, once all this is done through the proceedings and everything else, and you guys are allowed to talk to each other and go about your business, that's when you can relay messages. Right now,
Yes, sir.
this is a crime, so that's why it's so separated. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
But good luck to you, okay?
Double on.
Can I have my purse, please?
It'll go with you to the jail up there or back here.
Florida Statute Section 741.29 mandates arrest in domestic violence cases once probable cause exists. Officers have no discretion. That statute drove every decision made that night. The statute requires arresting the person primarily responsible. When only one party gives a sworn statement, that party becomes the default victim, and the other absorbs the arrest. Probable cause rested on three things: a sworn statement, visible injuries on both parties, and the subject's own admission that her finger wound came from fighting him off. Under Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213, that totality is sufficient. The subject alleged strangulation. Under Florida Statute Section 784.041, domestic strangulation is a felony. A sworn statement formalizing that allegation could have shifted the primary aggressor determination entirely. The Fifth Amendment protects the right to silence. But Florida's mandatory arrest framework is adversarial to that silence. When the other side has a sworn account on record, staying quiet cedes the entire investigation to them. Refusing to exit after a lawful arrest order triggered Florida Statute Section 843.02 resisting without violence. That is a first-degree misdemeanor stacked on top of the battery charge, created entirely by non-compliance. The canine threat falls under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Force must be proportionate to the offense, threat level, and resistance. A non-violent subject in a locked car on a misdemeanor is a difficult threshold to clear. Florida law permits canine compellance against a resisting subject. The threat was legally available, but family contact ultimately ended the standoff, suggesting non-force options were not fully exhausted before the canine was introduced. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, 1977, extended by Maryland v. Wilson, 519 U.S. 408. Officers may order any occupant out during a lawful arrest. That authority is categorical. The sergeant told the subject her remedy was an attorney and the court system. That is a constitutionally accurate statement of due process under the 14th Amendment and the most sound legal guidance offered all night. The charges were later dropped. In Florida domestic battery cases, that typically means the complaining witness declined to cooperate, or the state attorney found the evidence insufficient for trial. Dropped charges do not equal an unlawful arrest. Probable cause and proof beyond a reasonable doubt are different standards. The arrest was valid. The record simply could not sustain a conviction, a gap, the subject's silence widened. The primary deputy receives a B+. He applied the mandatory arrest statute correctly and administered a formal sworn statement with full perjury advisement. The deduction is the absence of documented on-camera injury assessment before communicating the arrest decision. The K-9 officer receives a B. He used family contact as a de-escalation bridge before forcing the window. However, the repeated K-9 warnings were confrontational in tone below the professional standard for a non-violent subject. The sergeant receives an A-. His legal guidance was accurate and empathetic. One deduction, his remark that a victim one day is not a victim every day, was dismissive given the documented call history at this address. The female subject receives a C. Her Fifth Amendment silence was valid, but in a mandatory arrest state it surrendered the investigation to the opposing party. Her strangulation allegation was never formalized. That is the biggest missed opportunity in this footage. This encounter shows how legal outcomes are shaped by who spoke under oath and who stayed silent. 5 lessons come directly from that night, each grounded in the footage, not theory. Lesson 1. Silence is not neutral in a mandatory arrest state. Florida Statute Section 741.29 does not pause for both sides. If you say nothing, the arrest reflects that absence, not the underlying truth. Lesson 2. A strangulation allegation changes everything. Florida Statute Section 784.041 elevates that act to a felony. One sworn statement asserting it shifts the primary aggressor determination and can reverse who gets handcuffed. Lesson 3. Resisting a lawful arrest adds charges regardless of innocence. Florida Statute Section 843.02 stacks a misdemeanor on whatever brought officers there. The vehicle was not a legal sanctuary, it was additional criminal exposure. Lesson 4. Probable cause and proof beyond a reasonable doubt are not the same standard. An arrest can be valid and charges can still be dropped. The gap between them is exactly where this case collapsed. Lesson 5. A sworn statement outweighs an informal account every time. The deputy formally swore in the complainant, explained both forms of perjury, and then took the statement. Every officer responding to a domestic call should replicate that standard. The law operates on the facts presented, not the facts that exist. That gap is where cases are decided. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe to our channel for more legal analysis of real body cam footage. Drop a comment below if there is an encounter or a legal topic you want us to cover next. We read every one. Thank you for watching.